Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make chocolate-covered strawberries with a beautiful drizzle. First, choose ripe, firm strawberries. Wash them gently under cool water, then pat them completely dry with paper towels. Any moisture can cause your chocolate to seize, so this step is crucial. Prepare a baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper or wax paper. This will be where your dipped strawberries will set. Next, let's melt our chocolate. You'll need about 12 ounces of good quality melting chocolate or chocolate chips. You can use a double boiler or microwave the chocolate in a microwave-safe bowl. Heat it in 30-second bursts, stirring well after each interval until it's smooth and fully melted. Ensure no water gets into the chocolate, as this will ruin its texture. Now for the fun part, dipping. Hold each strawberry by its stem or hull. Dip it into the melted chocolate, twisting gently to coat about 2/3 of the berry. Lift it out, letting any extra chocolate drip back into the bowl. Place the dipped strawberry onto your prepared parchment paper. For the drizzle, use a separate bowl with a contrasting chocolate color or the same chocolate. Use a fork or spoon to create thin lines over the berries. Once all your strawberries are dipped and drizzled, it's time to let them set. You can let them firm up at room temperature, which takes about 30 minutes, or place them in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes for a quicker set. Once the chocolate is firm, your beautiful treats are ready to enjoy. Store any leftover chocolate-covered strawberries in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.